Next time.
Next time, dapat ma'am, second emotion.
Actually, if you think, sa palagay niyo ba, the training is helpful? Kasi there are franchises na hindi nag-a-attend ng training. So, no matter how we encourage them, parang they don't take time to attend training. That's why, ginagawa namin, if we can take a video para malaman nila, it's to their advantage. Kasi, the general effect, pag ang isang branch or isang outlet is producing water that's not quality, na-affect sa kung isa. So, in general, yun ang parang macro effect niya. So, if they will know that the training is very helpful, I know it is helpful to you, so we will be encouraging them to attend also. So, napansin namin, medyo cooperative ang mga out of town. Pero yung within the city, konti lang. So, we would like to request to okay lang sa inyo, para isang batch na lang kasi pag isa-isa, parang artista.
Hindi naman sila sir, hesitant silang attend kasi may monthly kayo.
May monthly kasi.
Ay, hindi ko kayo sa out of town na
quarterly.
So every naman din, okay na yung problem.
Pero we, on record, we have more problems with the city compared to out of town. Because one reason among many is because of the water source. Actually, tatlo pang yung module na i-discuss namin. I don't know if mag-finish natin today because this module is for 2 days actually. During the time si Mr. Padrano attended, was the water analysis discussed? Parang hindi nata.
Water analysis. Discuss siguro po last.
Okay. So actually, what we will cover today is tatlo pa. Okay. We'll try to make it faster since you're out of town. So, i-continue lang natin later on yung ito. Okay. This is where they left off. So, dito na tayo. Mr. Josh will be